Have you ever wondered what kind of drone gets called when a situation is simply too dangerous for people? That's where the BRINC LEMUR comes in. This isn't a drone built for vacations or cinematic YouTube videos. It's built for real emergencies where every second matters. The BRINC LEMUR is trusted by law enforcement, firefighters, and search and rescue teams across the United States. Its job is simple: go where humans shouldn't. Whether it's a burning building, a hostage situation, or a damaged structure, this drone can fly in first and give responders a clear look before anyone risks their life. One of the coolest things about the Lemur is how incredibly tough it is. Unlike most drones that fall apart after a hard crash, this one is designed to take a hit and keep flying. It can bump into walls, squeeze through tight spaces, and handle rough environments that would destroy an ordinary drone. The camera isn't made for Hollywood-style footage. Instead, it's built to deliver a sharp, real-time video feed that helps emergency teams understand exactly what's happening inside a building. That live view can make all the difference when every decision counts. Another feature that really stands out is its ability to fly indoors with amazing control. Narrow hallways, dark rooms, staircases, and smoke-filled environments are exactly what this drone was built for. It gives operators the confidence to explore dangerous spaces without putting people in harm's way. The BRINC LEMUR also includes a two-way communication system. That means responders can actually talk to people through the drone. Whether they're helping someone trapped inside or communicating during a high-risk operation, that feature can be incredibly valuable. Battery life is optimized for emergency response, giving teams enough time to inspect buildings, gather information, and complete critical missions before returning safely. Now, this isn't a cheap drone. It's designed for professional agencies, not everyday hobbyists. But when lives are on the line, performance matters far more than price. At the end of the day, the BRINC LEMUR isn't trying to be the best drone for content creators. It's built for people who run toward danger while everyone else is running away. With its rugged design, reliable performance, and mission-focused features, it's easy to see why this drone has earned the trust of emergency teams across the country. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Drone Dominator, and hit the notification bell for more drone reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.